Hello, today we're going to replace the spool bearings in a Revo MGX. For that we're going to use our dental pick and the spool pin pliers from Boca bearings. To start, we're going to take the side cover off of our reel. We're going to remove the small C-clip. Actually, it's more of a hex shape that holds this bearing in. We want to cover it with our thumb to keep it from flying away. We're going to take the old bearing out, drop the new one in. You want to make sure you get it nice and straight while it's going in. Take our clip, we'll start it by hand like that. Then we'll take our dental pick and just make sure it goes in its little groove. All sides. We're going to set that to the side. Take our spool out. Use our spool pin pliers and press the pin out. We'll set that right there. Take the old bearing off. Whoops. Put the new one on. Start that pin. We're going to use our pliers. This time we're going to use this side of the pliers. We're going to set that to the side. We're also going to replace this tension knob bearing. We want to hold the handle in a spot where we can get to this easily and get it off. Most of the time it'll come off all in one piece. Sometimes this little black plastic piece will stick. Just pay attention to how it comes off if it doesn't come off together, so you can put it back on correctly. There's another clip in there. Use our dental pick once again. Cover it with our thumb so it doesn't go flying. Like that. You may have to persuade it a little bit by pushing on the shaft. There, the whole thing fell out. We're just going to take that, stick it right back in, just like it came out. Just drops right there. You're going to take that bearing. We want to make sure we get that shaft centered as possible. Once that bearing goes in place, it's a lot less likely to move around. The shaft is. We're going to take our clip, get it started, push it back in place with our dental pick. Our black plastic, you can see some little notches where the tabs go on the back of it. I don't know if you can see those or not. We're just going to screw that back on. Just be careful not to cross thread it. There we go. Drop our spool back in place. our side cover. Everything works.